GUYISA, a trusted safety footwear partner from China to the world. We are now recruiting overseas agents to jointly explore global markets. GUYISA boasts a complete manufacturing system and intelligent supply chain, with a 20,000 square meters modern production base. Our annual capacity reaches 5 million pairs. We offer over 1,000 SKUs to meet diverse industry and scenario demands. A 30,000 square meters intelligent warehouse holds 1 million pairs of regular stock. We accept orders of all sizes, supporting both in-stock supply and customization. Every step from raw materials to finished products is under strict control, ensuring fast global order delivery. Compliance is the key to the global market. GUYISA has obtained global market access certifications including LACE, UKCA, ISO, SYNOP, and more. We not only offer complete certifications, but also provide localized compliance support. We fully assist our partners in achieving smooth customs clearance and easy access to target markets. GUYISA has an independent standardized laboratory equipped with more than 30 professional testing instruments. Each pair of safety shoes undergoes rigorous testing, with a product pass rate steadily at 99.9%. GUYISA with consistent quality and continuous innovation. Our safety shoes have been exported to 118 countries and regions worldwide. On global social media platforms, GUYISA safety shoes are gaining increasing attention, discussion, and recommendation from overseas users. Our strong brand recognition allows every partner to start from a higher position. No need to build the market from scratch, directly share the global influence of the GUYISA brand. GUYISA is more than just a product supplier. We are your partner for overseas market growth.